Hi guys, congratulations on downloading the Residential Valuations Toolbar for Windows. So basically these are the installation instructions for Windows and for Firefox. Basically, if you're using a Mac, go ahead and look in the email that you've received, because you're going to have slightly different instructions for that. Okay, so basically Windows, you would have received a file which is basically ends in .xpi. So what I'm going to say is to save that file to somewhere on your computer where you can find it in the future. So I apologize for slightly blurring some of the things on my computer here. That's basically to protect the innocent. But so save your Residential Valuations Toolbar for Firefox here, the XPI file, just so where you can actually find it again using Firefox. So then we're going to go into Firefox, and it's fairly simple installation routine. All you do is go up to Tools, and then down to Add-ons and Themes. And what we want to do is to click on Extensions. Okay, now there's a little thing where it says Manage Your Extensions, and there's a little sort of cog to the right hand side. We're just going to click on that, and then we're going to say Install Add-on from File. We're going to go to where we saved our file previously and click Open. Okay, and it's going to come up with the Add Residential Valuations Toolbar. This extension will have permission to access your data for all websites and access browsers tabs. We're going to click Add. Okay, and then it's going to say allow this extension to run in private windows. You could do what you want with that. I always keep it on. And basically that is your toolbar installed. So what I'm going to do now is just delete this tab, and what you will see is that there's a little icon on the top right hand side of your Firefox window. If you click the icon, it'll allow you to enter a postcode. So with this postcode, I'm going to put in RG2 7DU. I'm going to click search, and it's going to open up 14 tabs across the top of Firefox, all in relation to the postcode that I've just entered in, and allowing me to value these properties extremely quickly. Okay, I hope you've understood actually how to install this tool for Firefox. If you haven't, just replay the video. It should be reasonably straightforward. I wish you good luck with this, and I wish you great riches. This is Richard Shepherd. Happy hunting.